The force has awakened. New technologies are challenging banking players in China and all around the world. That's why Swiss giant UBS calls together top executives and investors for its first Disruptive Technology CEO Summit this week in Beijing. Digital innovation, artificial intelligence, VR and AR, robotics, just to name a few, are forcing traditional lenders to rethink their outdated business models. The transformation doesn't come cheap.
So we will spend around 1 billion Swiss franc, so it's around $1 billion to integrate, to unify and modernize our IT infrastructure over the next few years. And of course, on the other hand, we also have some innovation lab within the bank in Singapore, in Zurich, and also in London, because we try to foster innovation that could drive a lot of business opportunity for our bank.
The rise of cybersecurity threats has also resulted in increased security spending. But the emergence of disruptive trends also triggers more opportunities. Fintech and blockchain, a technology underlying Bitcoin, have certainly been the clearest examples so far.
And also externally, we're also trying to look out for some other interesting new fintech startup. We hold some of the competition. We also invest in some of the new company we find is very interesting in terms of the fintech.
A huge concern for the big banks is having their lunch eaten by the likes of Apple, Tencent or Alibaba, which are making further inroads into mobile payments. Experts say that although these tech giants are unlikely to ever become banks, they are the best placed to build user-friendly tech solutions that answer to consumer demands for payments and financial services.
I think the new technologies such as VR, AR and robotics are basically to be adopted to improve the client's experience with the banks. And I think adopting these technologies certainly will help the clients to know better of the financial products that they can receive.
Powered by millennials, China is at the forefront of digital innovation supported by other consumer trends like the sharing economy. UBS expects 2.5 billion new internet users by 2025, with China, India and Indonesia being the key drivers. And annual VR units are set to hit 30 million and $9 billion in sales by 2020. There is no way out. Technology is transforming the global banking landscape to a point of no return. Banking professionals and chief investment officers are increasingly under pressure as the competition and threats from fintech startups, digital challengers and tech giants is only set to increase. Martina Fuchs, CCTV News, Beijing.